Hello everyone, and welcome to this C# crash course. In this course, we'll talk about every essential topic of C# that you need to know as a beginner or an intermediate programmer. So, let's take a look at what is C# and why should you learn it? C# is a modern programming language created by Microsoft. Think of it as a tool that lets you create all sorts of softwares. What makes it awesome that it's beginner-friendly but also powerful enough for complex applications? It does not matter whether you're a mobile app developer, web developer, game developer, data scientist, or you want to use it for machine learning or deep learning, you can perform all these tasks with C#. This shows that how powerful this programming language is. Now let's talk about .NET Framework and .NET Core. There used to be .NET Framework which used to run only on Windows platforms and .NET Core which could be run anywhere. However, now they've been combined into just .NET. Now, the best part is your C# code can run on any computer whether it's Windows, Mac, or Linux. That's all for the intro. See you in the next section.